What's up, guys, and welcome back to Red Dead Redemption 2. Now, I had some recording issues, and now I'm just re-recording. I'm gonna do one mission because I recorded for 50 minutes, and turns out it wasn't recording the game audio at all. So I don't feel like doing all that. So I'm just gonna do one mission for this video. So I'm sorry if it's gonna be a little shorter, but next video will be a longer one.
Boys, because I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess folks miss them. That fell. But when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Party. Probably. Funny, huh? Sure. I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Colm O'Driscoll's needing punching. Hard! You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
Are you sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Colm O'Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You always said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and detonators here. Colm always had good information. Come on.
And you think now is the right time to hit a train?
Now you might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah!
Alright, let's do this.
Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yep.
Yeah. He said follow the main trail southwest. They're camped near some lake.
Okay, let's go find these bastards before they find us and rob this store they're planning.
All right. Dutch, you got a plan? Oh,
Tracks. Horses, quite a few of them. As far as I can tell, the only fools out here are us and them. They must be this way.
sweet.
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my ideas recently, but this is the right move.
Okay. You know I got your back.
I learned a long time ago that you hit Colm O'Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love will die.
Oh boy.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another.
It will be.
Some things I can forgive, others I can't forget. What he did to Annabelle, I can't do neither.
Wow, must have been pretty bad.
Killed his brother, Dutch.
Yes, I did. And I hope the bastards will be
Oh,
reunited
whoops.
soon enough. That's how this'll end.
Damn right, boss.
I mean, wow. It must have been really bad what Colm did to Annabelle if Dutch isn't satisfied with
Let's
killing
go
his
out here
brother.
and take a look. They said it was near the lake, so we must be close.
Whoa there.
Hold up here.
Okay.
Hey, what are you getting off for?
We're holding up
All right,
here.
gentlemen. This is it. Are we goddamn ready?
Ready, Dutch.
Good. Now, Mr. Morgan and I, we're gonna head up here a little, see if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr. Williamson, Mr. Bell, you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two hold position here. Let's go.
Yeah, there you go. Okay. This really isn't too far away. But alright.
There
All
they are.
broken down.
That's definitely them.
Home?
I think so.
Yeah, that's him.
Okay, they got a lot of guys down there. Guy on the water tower. Let's see. There's a bunch of guys in the back.
Who's he talking to? He don't seem very happy.
No.
They leaving?
Seem to be. Should we go get him?
No. Colin can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. Come on, let's
Alright.
get down there.
Let's go.
Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse.
Gotcha.
You boys be ready to pick them off from up there.
Sure thing.
Good. Come on, let's go. We'll circle around the far side and go down that way, same as Micah and Bill. Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Yeah, just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Arthur. Arthur, have you completely
Nope.
lost faith in me? Our needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including Colm, can wait.
Okay.
There's enough of those bastards down there to deal with as it is. Now, come on.
Alright, Dutch. Yeah, let me get in front of you. Come on. Keep up, man.
Oh, watch out. This bit's steep.
And it's not too bad, Dutch.
Maybe
That's a
I
little
should
goofy.
Take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No, but the way our luck's been running.
Hush. Let's just get down there first.
Man, I'm tired of trudging through the snow.
Let's head for that building in front.
It's so slow. I just want to run.
Stay low. Oh. Come on, follow me.
Alright.
Get in cover, Arthur.
Q. Okay.
What are we
There we
doing,
go.
Dutch? I can take this if you want.
Just make the call. You want to take the lead? Go.
Okay, I'll go first.
All right.
O'Driscolls! You're dead, you sons of bitches! Push it forward! Cover me!
Why are you out in the middle of the... Okay, well, never mind. I guess you're fine, because I can't hit a shot. What? That's on you! Oh my gosh. That was not a good look. Okay, well, this dude's dead. Yeah. Boom! Nice. Let's see. Okay. This dude. Okay, or not. Oh, these two dudes. Yeah, you're... Oh my gosh. They suck. There we go. Okay. Boom. Okay, I shot his hat off. That's pretty goofy. Get out of my way, man. What are you doing? Boom. Nice. Whoops. He dodged a bullet there, literally. Wait. Boom. No. There we go. Man, I keep shooting their hats off. That's a really cool way to reload the gun.
I think that's all of them.
Search the bodies. Strip everything we can from them.
You recognize any of them, Dutch?
Of course not. Cole doesn't give a damn about his men. All he cares about is numbers.
Numbers.
Shoot a gun and ride a horse and kill without thought. You're in.
Wow, sounds like a great leader. Totally.
Heads up, boys. We got more coming in from the forest.
Yeah, hold on, Dutch. Let me just get these bodies looted real quick. You guys can take care of them, right? Alright, hold on. Okay. Now I can help. Okay. Okay, I guess I can't shoot through the rope.
Shit, there's a lot of them. What do you think, Arthur? Do we hold ground here or go after them?
I say we go at the bastards.
Come on, man. Everyone with me.
Let's get into that forest and figure them out. Christ alive!
Nice. Activate Deadeye. Where else? Is that? No, that's Micah. There we go. Nice. Deadeye's pretty good. Oh, or not. I guess I'm not actually shooting them yet. Or did I already shoot them?
Beautiful day.
Okay.
The cowards are
Nice.
away. Good work, boys. Back to the camp. We'll get what we need.
Alright, does Deadeye
We're
just
out.
recharge on its own, or is it like damage that I do, or is it like kills that I get? Looks like it's probably one of the latter two. 'Cause it didn't seem to be charging up.
Okay. Let's wait for Javier and Lenny. They're coming down with the horses.
Oh, they're right here.
Keep an eye out for any more of the bastards.
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left.
Cool.
All right, man, quick. Find those detonators, explosives.
Search
anything
this
you can.
chest.
Let's go.
Grab everything. Take everything I can. Okay, should go around all the way, Arthur. Got a cigar. Okay. Take some of this. Nice. Well, this is probably what we're looking for. There we go.
Here. This looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Looks fine. Smells good.
Come on.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. A Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up. Let's keep moving.
Alright.
All right, let's get out of here. Proud of you boys. All of you.
Whoa!
Not a man down.
Good work, fellas.
Nice.
Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like. But we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas.
Of course.
Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I believe, I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them. Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater.
Blackwater.
That won't happen again.
Mentioned that before. Hopefully they'll show it eventually in the game.
All right.
I mean, I would think they would.
Let's make some ground.
Alright, let's head back. Man, this game is beautiful. Look at those mountains in the distance. It's just, it's incredible. Man.
Hey, you see that fella? Wasn't he at the camp with Combe?
Leave
Oh,
him to me.
Right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Okay, you got it.
alright.
Now, come on.
Run!
Leave me alone!
Oh, no, you don't.
Shit! No!
Oh, see, I have to hold it. Oh, whoops. Sorry, man.
You're coming with me.
Let me just tie you
Oh,
up.
come on.
Sweet.
Please don't. Look at the floor for a bit. What's your name, boy? I don't know. You
Don't know?
your name?
Yeah, like
Kieran.
what?
Kieran what?
I don't know your name. Like
Kieran
what?
nothing. Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Where are you taking me?
Somewhere you ain't gonna like.
Why? What are you gonna do to me?
Something you ain't gonna like. So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please!
Let my horse's stamina refresh.
I hardly know him.
Okay.
I'm no use to you.
You better shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you.
Ooh. Yeah, just quit screaming, man.
I don't know nothing real about him. Honest. Oh, take it easy. You're gonna break my ribs. Have a heart, mister.
Are you trying to test me? Is that it? Because I will break every bone in your body.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay?
Not one more goddamn word. Am I clear?
Okay. Okay.
That's 2 bones right there.
Wow. Okay, Arthur, go off. Alright, boys, we got no Driscoll here.
Here we are, you sack of shit. Let's introduce you to the boys.
Wrong button. Hello? Okay, there we go.
Don't hurt me, please.
No, don't worry. They're real nice.
You found a little shit, did you?
Yep. I got him.
Very good. Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh, no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend. We shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed 'em as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it!
Okay.
An O'Driscoll in my
It's a
camp.
pretty interesting
I ain't no
saying.
Driscoll, mister. I hate that fella.
Oh, whatever you say,
Oh, what if he's telling the
son.
truth, though?
Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
Let's gather around the campfire. You know what? I lied. I'll do the next mission as well. 'Cause I think it is a little bit of a shorter one. So, alright. I'll do it.
Starved to death up here, Mr. Morgan. We're okay.
Yeah, we're fine.
We have a few cans of food and a rabbit.
Never
For what,
mind.
10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy. I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson. We were stranded at sea for 50 days. And you unfortunately survived. When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in. Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. If needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
I sent Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving will be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. Look, if there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest? Come along. Here, you take this. I can't use it,
Sweet.
you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
To use a
Use a
bow.
gun, and we'll scare off every animal for miles around. You're never too old to learn, I imagine.
Sweet. Let's go hunting. Oh, whoa. That's not what I meant to do.
How are you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay, apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
Still bad?
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a bow right now.
Sure hope I can. Never really got the hang of it.
You'll be fine.
So, you reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
There's meat up here for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed. We'll head
For
up
sure.
this way. Find some higher ground.
Okie dokie.
Been a wild few days, all right. That ride north from Blackwater.
It looks
getting
rearing.
stuck in the storm, going out for
Let's
John,
control and
that
tap
thing
and
with the
station. Okay.
O'Driscolls.
You've had a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that, just a lot to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither.
Blackwater, man. They
Javier
keep
told me a
mentioning
bit,
it.
But it sure weren't good.
I love these cinematic shots. They're pretty cool.
See some of the ground uncovered here.
Okay.
Let's look down this way.
Let's see.
The wind's died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, it won't move. Now shh. Stay quiet.
Sir, yes, sir. Oh, calm. Calm down.
Stop here a second. I see something.
Oh, watch it.
Okay, I can't grab
There's deer
the weapon
here.
yet.
Recently.
Looks.
Can you
How can you not?
Yeah, looks like it.
Track them on foot. You're gonna need the bow. Don't
Yep.
leave it on your horse. The gun will scare everything around. Keep down. Move quietly and slowly.
Okay, just follow the tracks.
You see the tracks?
I think so. Maybe not.
Focus.
Eagle eye. See, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Hey, I
Yeah. It's all the way over here, though. Looks like. Yeah, it's still a good distance away. Oh yeah, come on. I could have ran to about maybe here and still be fine. Oh yeah, look. It's right over there. Come on, man.
Wait, look. There they are. Are you ready with that bow? Aim for their head or neck. We want a good, clean kill. That's all.
Oh no.
Try again. Now, Arthur. No. Use the bow I gave you.
Yeah, I didn't mean to pull that out. My bad. Yep. Okay. Okay.
Nice. See if we can get another one. Careful. This might be our own chance for a good meal.
Okay, so I mean it's just there's one down there. Looks like. Go ahead and grab this arrow. Got it.
Done. I think that's all we can carry.
Sweet.
Okay, you pick up one, I'll get the other.
You sure your hand's okay?
It'll be fine once I get it on my shoulder. Okay, I'll go grab the other one.
Call my horse. Where are ya? Oh, there you are. Oh my gosh. His horse is running to him. Mine's taking this sweet time. Thank you. Man, Arthur's pretty strong to be able to carry that on his shoulder. Okay.
Ready to head back when you are.
Come on then. Let's head
Alright,
back.
let's go.
Careful.
Oh, okay. Go around, sure.
Nice work, Arthur. Should be enough meat here to keep us all fed for a few days.
You
Looks
found
like it.
I knew you'd be okay with that bow.
Oh,
Careful.
okay. Go
It's
around the
easier
tree.
when they ain't shooting back.
We've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck is finally on the turn.
Seems to me we should be putting our effort into getting off this mountain now.
I agree.
People are still weak, and well, you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? Still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country. We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan.
Oh, I'm sure.
You notice how Pearson's had a bottle in his hand ever since we fled Blackwater? We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go, and he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
Good that we caught more than one. We've only been up here a few days and have already picked up 2 more mouths to feed.
One more. We ain't feeding the O'Driscoll a damn thing.
Huh.
Except maybe
Oh,
that
yeah.
can of salted offal Pearson was kind enough to give us.
The girl, she has a wild look in her eye.
Of course. She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
So what do we do with her?
Well, once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
Who knows? Maybe she'll deal with the O'Driscoll for us.
That would be funny.
Well, I know who my money's on in that fight. He's weak, but that makes him much more useful. Maybe we can get to them before they get to us.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them? I suppose. Hell, we ain't run into them much the last 6 months. I guess because they've been over this way.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of talk about them.
Well, we've been scrapping over scores with them for years. Big gang. Nasty sons of bitches. Their leader, Combe, and Dutch go way back.
Oh,
Not
wow.
in a good way.
Unfortunate.
Proper blood feud.
So I heard. Watch out! Bear up ahead. Let's see if we can find another way around.
He's got a lot of meat on him.
We've got enough here. No need to push our luck.
Okay.
You must be real hungry. Stay well back. Spring storms like this are the worst for animals that sleep all winter.
Okay. Careful. Quiet.
Cut up here, off the trail.
Toyota. Calm down. It's gonna be okay.
We ain't ever talked that much, you and me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that?
Bet you didn't expect this.
What?
Any of this. Blackwater mess. Being up here?
Sooner or later, a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of life.
I just thought you might have moved on by now.
You want me to move on?
No. No, not at all. I know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch... You know, Dutch is different.
Dutch is different.
Oh, yes. Dutch is certainly different.
He treats me fair. Most of you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well, we need you now. More than ever.
Good.
Oh yeah.
And how long have you been with these boys? Why ain't you run off?
Me? Oh, 20 years, something like that.
20 years.
Since I was a boy.
20 years?
That's crazy.
Yeah. Taught me to read. John, too. Taught me a few other things, him and Hosea.
That's,
I'm sure.
that's a long time.
Dutch saved me. Saved most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
That's
How's that new horse?
crazy though. 20 years.
He'll do for now. I appreciate you letting me take Taima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us.
Of course, you gotta take
I don't
care
know
of
what
them.
Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
Same with Bill and Brown Jack. He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he loves that horse.
I hope they all make it.
I tried to ride the Count once.
Didn't work. Yeah. Yeah, it didn't work too well.
Easy.
Let's get these horses hitched. Yep.
Brought some food back, boys. Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. Thank you for showing me how to use the bow properly.
And we showed you a little. Takes a lifetime of practice to master.
Well. Just
This fur looks pretty good.
What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid you.
He loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you gents later.
See, you got on just fine. Charles is a wonder.
Have a drink, boys. You earned it.
Jesus, what is that?
Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does.
Yeah, seems to have done a treat on you.
Man.
You go rest that hand, Charles.
We'll be fine in a few days.
You mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together.
Do I get to skin you?
Little
You're always one
comedian.
with the jokes, aren't you?
Yeah.
This
Little
really is a
comedian
tough
there.
man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skinned that one, did you? Dumped on the floor there.
Yeah, well, you told me to put it there.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these and sell these in pretty much any town.
Oh, of
if you're
course.
looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
Well, if you catch anything else, you bring it to me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah. Well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days.
A few days later.
It's been a bad few weeks, but Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams. Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind
Yeah.
the way, Reverend. You're still here, then?
I owe you.
Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
Arthur, I think it's time for the train.
Want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on.
What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even you. But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob. All right, we're moving out. Follow me.
Well, I'll save that for next time. That's it for today, guys. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, leave a like, comment, whatever. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.